Hey guys, it's Lisa and it's mango time. Are you ready to unbox with me? I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get this party started. This is a $2,500 mango haul, and I'll be honest with you, I cannot remember what's in here because I think I ordered this like 2 weeks ago. Mango is a good one. Mango has style. Mango has basics. Mango has flash. Mango is very similar to Zara for me. I can find some really good stuff. So looks like we have a blazer here, size medium, which is a good sign. You're gonna love this. Look at that. The first thing I saw when I was pulling it out is look at that lapel. Look how the stitching is, and it's satin. Oh my goodness. And look at how this looks right out of this box after it has sat here this whole time. This is divine. I'm all about this, all about it. And this is one of the biggest trends. For those of you that hate the oversized blazers, I don't think this is going to be that way. I think this is going to be a more fitted. I see these darts right here and I love it. I absolutely love this. Yep, I remember this now. This is a sequin blazer, but I have something that goes with it underneath. When I was at the style conference, one of the girls there for the last award ceremony night had a beautiful lace suit on, and I loved it. It just reminded me of the value of a suit. You can wear them over and over. They're so good. Even at a really dressed up red carpet event, she looked amazing. So this is a medium. I like that it has the shoulder pads. It is flowy, so we will see, because I typically like a structured blazer, but it'd be hard to probably get a good structured blazer in sequin. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't think this is gonna work out. Do you see what I see? I don't know if you can see it. These are like little shorts in here, like little tap pants or hot shorts or whatever in here. And then this is sheer. I don't think that's gonna get it for me. But the top's gonna go down over it, the blazer. Let's hold out judgment until we see that. Oh my goodness. I'll try this on for you. Get ready. Wow. Okay, this is unlike any of my other hauls for sure. You guys, look at that. It is amazing. It feels like Bubba's tummy. What is this? What is it made of? It's got the hook and eye closures. This color, oh my gosh, what is it called? It doesn't have the color on here. Look at how beautiful. And I did get the medium. Let's see what this is made of. Look at how beautiful even the inside is. This is when you love being a girl, is when it comes to things like this. Okay, 100% polyester. I'm gonna look on the website because this feels, I'm not saying it's real fur, but it's not like any other faux fur I've ever tried. Do you guys remember the blue one I have like this? And I had to wrap it up because Chanel kept stalking it. There is just something about this over a dress or with some jeans. It is amazing. And that dusty blue, that is gorgeous. Did I say basics? You guys aren't gonna believe what's in here. You like what you like, right? That's one thing I like too. Even though you might see some of the same things over and over again, it's gonna be different price points and probably different quality. But let's face it, sometimes you're looking for a one-hit wonder, and sometimes you're looking for a piece of a lifetime, you know, or a piece to keep for a lifetime. And then it depends on your age, your budget, all of those things. I almost ordered this because Kelly from Mommy's Makeup and Moscato, she told me about this and she said it reminded her of me. And for some reason, I tried to order it before we left, and then for some reason, I think the order wouldn't go through. Something happened and I never thought about it again. But look at this vest. I have to say, so far, what is striking me is the quality. Because for something to have gone through the mail and to come out of a box after a couple of weeks looking like this, that is pretty amazing. Now, you might look at this and think, because it's the halter back, oh, I'm not going to do that. It's too cold. Think of this as a layer. Put your long cashmere cardigan over it. Put your big boyfriend blazer. Use this as a really interesting layer, and then you can still wear it, you know, in the summer. You guys are going to crack up when I show you this. This is so funny. Did you watch my J. Crew unboxing? Oh my goodness. Is it just like it? Now I would say without a doubt the J. Crew is going to be better quality. This is a medium because this isn't going to be made out of silk and wool and all of these things. But if you wanted that but you didn't want to spend the money, this is 100% polyester, and it looks like the inside is viscose and polyester, or the outside is viscose and polyester and the inside is 100% polyester. I can see right off the bat that it doesn't have quite the structure. It's going to be more of a flowy blazer, but still pretty nonetheless. And then, oh, there's just something about a suit. I mean, just with anything. You can just put your boots, your pumps, just there's so many possibilities. And then these pants that go with it. So we'll see what the cut is of these. And then maybe we'll put the footage side by side of the J. Crew and of the Mango. See how the seam's really pretty? Pair of jeans, straight mid-waist, regular fit. Sounds good. And what I like about these is see how they're not white. They're kind of like an off-white. Oh, I love these. You know how I like a little bit of a stitch, and I got US size 6. So let's see. I hope these fit good. Mid-waist, regular fit, full length. I'm thinking they're going to be good ones to roll up a little bit too. I forgot about these. Okay, look at these bad boys. I love a funky jean. I love them. I would love to have a pair of those like Chanel jeans with the CCs all over them, but I think you have to be like really in with Chanel or a sales associate to get stuff like that. I think it's usually sold out by the time anybody like me could get them. But these are straight, high waist, regular fit, full length. And I got, let's see, size 6. So I would say that's going to be right. Oh, you guys, I love that so much. These feel like denim. Let's see what these are made of. 100% cotton. It doesn't have the stretch, but it does have the natural give when you wear them. And they hang better. It just, the more cotton in them, usually the better they'll hang. I love those. The only dud so far that I can see is those little pants, the lace pants. That was, I can't believe I ordered that. What was I thinking? Who was I that day? Oh my gosh, this is a heavy one. Wowza, these are beautiful. See how they're like a faux suede? A medium. Look at these. I pray that these fit. I love those. These with one of your cream cashmere sweaters and your brown boots. Oh my goodness. Or your pumps, or your nude pumps, or your strappy sandals. Those, I mean, are beautiful. Here comes a basic. I've always loved a top like this, like kind of like a polo knit type top, and then with the zipper. This is going to be sexy. This is going to look good with those pants or the jeans. Good ribbing, and I love that color, that dark blue. It might be a blue black, but I like it. Yes, I remember this. This was a gamble. Anytime you get like this Lurex stuff, it's a gamble, but I will tell you right off the bat that it feels better than most of it. It's not scratchy. I mean, it's not like soft, but it's not scratchy. It's just kind of like you would think. And I did get the small in this, and purple and gold sparkle. This is gonna be cool. Okay. Oh no. I don't know if you can see how thin that is. Like, I can see the camera through this. The only thing is, like, what if you wore this outfit with a big faux fur? That is so cool. That is so 70s, so Studio 54. So let's see. Can't remember how much it was, but I'm thinking it couldn't have been too expensive. So that is a lot of look if you were to wear something over it. Oh, I like the way these look so far. This is Beyond, which I wonder if this is kind of like their comfy line or something. But you know, I love a good pant like this, ribbed charcoal gray. These with your white tee or a bodysuit and your moto jacket and any shoe of choice, cool shoe of choice. Do like a chunky sneaker. You could even get away with like a chunky slide, like your UGG slides or something like that, but just a great weight. And if you're new here, down below will be listed everything in order. There'll be numbers here, and I will put comments beside it. If I loved it, if it was cheap feeling. I don't want you to get anything that I don't approve of. I mean, if you want to go rogue, that's fine, but I at least want to know that I told you. Okay, wow, look at that. This is the perfect little Christmas party top to throw on with your black pants. It would even look good underneath a blazer because you'll be surprised at how much that fringe will show. Love it. I would even like this with just really faded jeans, and it feels really good. Like really good. Let's see what this is made of. 60 polyester and 40% recycled polyester. So I don't know if recycled polyester makes it slinkier and shinier. It feels good. It feels like a really nice yarn that they use. Oh, this. I remember when I saw this, I was like, oh God, I've got to get this. Very Diane von Furstenberg. This isn't going anywhere. I love this. This with a skirt, with your jeans. This is that dressy blouse formula with your jeans or with your pants, with your skirt. Very Angelina Jolie or Amal Clooney or, you know, the classy, dressy, sexy girls. That's what I think of. Just so pretty. And there's just something about this print that gives that like logo vibe, almost like the Chanel logo or the Fendi or the Louis Vuitton or something. It just has like a logo feel to it. More sequins, 'tis the season, a basic. Don't we all need some sequin leggings in our life? If you will look on Pinterest, it is so cool, all the things people do with sequin leggings. With your scrunch boots and a big sweatshirt, your oversized blazer, your big faux fur, we are gonna have fun with these. These are an ingredient to Pinterest inspired outfits all the way. I got a medium, so I know they're gonna fit. Oh, I like these. And let me tell you, I've had a few pair of these from different places. I know I've had some Express, and these are the best because see how they're like this and see how the sequins are small. Oh my gosh. At first I was gonna say it looks a little Captain Caveman, but now that I see the whole thing, and it feels like snuggly wuggly. Look, even the inside is like that. And I love the mock neck, love the color. Isn't that just like a cool, vibey color? This with a pair of the ivory pants or those jeans. I wouldn't necessarily put this with black. I think I would put this with red or cream color or even something like some printed jeans or something. We've got one more big box. Oh my goodness, okay, I see something familiar. And I'm gonna tell you the truth, which one I like the most, because this is very similar to the J. Crew and the Urban Revivo. But I'm going to tell you right off the bat, it's not the stiffness quality of the Urban Revivo, the one from Amazon. I mean, that one is nice. This one is, wow. This one is like soft and it's lined with this satiny fabric. This is something that's not structured at all, but looks structured. This would be a good one with denim, with your jeans. I don't think it's quite as dressy as the ones from J. Crew. They're right up there. I mean, they're, like I said, first lady material. And I'm glad I got a small, because I will say in these, you don't want these to be oversized, because that's the beauty of these. I see this. What is this? Oh, a silver puffer. I like this though. Wow, okay, it's thin. It's not real thick at all. Oh, it's water repellent. I bet I was thinking this would be awesome to walk in. It's very cool. I love how it's kind of long. This with something really fitted underneath, like your leggings and, you know, an athletic fitted top, maybe one of the Skims or the Pumi or something like that. And this over it with some boots or your sneakers or your Uggs. Wow, that is beautiful. I don't think I have ever had anything this color. It is like a maroony red with black. And you know how I always say it's all about the collar. This with your jeans and your Air Force Ones, your sneakers. I mean, you don't have to wear this in a glam way. This is cool girl faux fur all the way. This is another excellent Pinterest ingredient. That is a statement. I think all of these are very statement pieces, like all of them. I'm glad because we already have so many basics, and there are gonna be other places that I shop that are gonna be more basics in your base layers. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is something in medium. You're gonna like this. Oh my goodness, look at that. I know, I feel pretty confident about this one. That is unique. It is a faux leather bomber. It isn't a faux leather bomber. It is a leather bomber. Oh my gosh. I knew when I was holding it, I could feel it back here, and I was like, this doesn't feel like faux leather. But I just can't believe that I could afford all this stuff with $2,500 because I don't go over. Durable, flexible, and high quality. This leather has been treated to give the piece a washed and aged appearance, making its finish unique. Black on the inside. That is fabulous. That will look good over a slip dress. There's just something about that bomber and that simplicity, and the bottom, that knit cuff. And you're gonna be so glad you waited for this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Right now, tell me down below which was your favorite piece, because this was a good one. I don't even know what to say about this. I got a medium. Oh my gosh, and look, it's like faux leather in there and on the bottom. That is glorious. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try all this stuff on for you guys. So let me know down below which was your favorite piece, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.